వెల్కమ్ టు స్వతంత్ర టీవీ. నేను కావ్య. సో నిజాం హయాంలో జరిగిన మారణ హోమాన్ని, హిందువులపై జరిగిన దౌర్జన్యాన్ని, బలవంతపు మత మార్పిడులను అడ్డుకునేందుకు ప్రజలే సాయుధులై ఎలా పోరాటం చేశారో కళ్ళకు కట్టినట్టు చూపించిన మూవీనే రజాకర్ మూవీ. ఈ సినిమా రీసెంట్ గా ఓటీటీలోకి వచ్చింది. ఈ సినిమాలో నిజాం నవాబ్ మీర్ ఉస్మాన్ అలీ ఖాన్ వైఫ్ గా నటించిన యంగ్ అండ్ టాలెంటెడ్ యాక్టర్స్ అనుశ్రియ త్రిపాఠి ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. ఈ రజాకర్ మూవీ గురించి మరిన్ని విషయాలు ఆవిడని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ అనుశ్రియ, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. నమస్కారం అండి.
నమస్కారం, నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ టెల్ మీ దట్ వేర్ యూ బోర్న్ అండ్ బ్రాట్ అప్?
So I was born and brought up in the city called Bhilai.
Okay.
Bhilai, it's in Chhattisgarh. It is very well known for Bhilai steel plant also. So
Okay.
that is where I was raised.
What's your education qualification?
Education, I'm a lawyer
Oh.
and I've done my MBA also. And for your information, previously I prepared for civil services also because मेरे
Okay.
पिताजी की बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं एक IAS officer भी बनूं.
And how
तो
you
3
came
साल-
this side?
Yeah, that is the question most people ask me कि कैसे 3 साल मैंने सिविल सर्विसेज की तैयारी करी लेकिन ऑब्वियसली हुआ नहीं. तो बहुत निराशा के बाद फिर मैं अपना शहर छोड़ के हैदराबाद आ गई. और
Okay.
यहाँ पे एक हमेशा से एक एक्टिंग का कीड़ा तो था ही, पहले भी था. और तब भी जब हैदराबाद में आई तो फिर आई स्टार्टेड ऑडिशन एंड यहाँ पे
Okay.
थिएटर्स ज्वाइन किया. तो धीमे धीमे देन लगा कि नहीं, शायद यही मेरी मंजिल है और भगवान ने यही रास्ता चुना है.
Did you take in the acting course?
यस यस ऑब्वियसली.
Okay.
आप एक अगर अच्छा एक्टर बनना है आपको तो एक एक्टिंग कोर्स प्लस एक एवरीडे एक एक्टिंग की प्रैक्टिस तो आपको करनी ही रहती है.
Okay.
तो रजाकार की मूवी के दौरान ही मैंने पहले 3-4 महीने
Is
की
it
एक्टिंग
tough
की
or
कोर्स
easy acting course?
आई वुड से एक थेरेपी के जैसा होता है एक्टिंग कोर्स.
Okay.
अगर आपको रियली अगर एक्टिंग में इंटरेस्ट है तो एक मेडिटेटिव होता है, एक थेरेपेटिक एक प्रोसेस होता है वो जो आपको पूरी इच्छा के साथ यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट.
Okay.
So that is what
You have
acting
to
is for me.
involve deeply into that
100% you
story.
need to involve yourself. See, I think any art form for that matter, या आप अपनी इच्छा से यहाँ पे आप आते हैं, अपने मन से आप चुनते हैं प्रोफेशन को. तो ये प्रोफेशन भी वैसे ही है मेरे लिए. तो कोर्स कोई टफ नहीं है, बस
Okay.
प्रैक्टिस कीप्स द मैन, मेक्स द मैन परफेक्ट.
What's your first like a short film or movie?
Actually, मेरा first debut on screen has been Razakar.
Okay, it's the first one.
Yes, this is my
Okay.
first one.
How you felt at that time? The first screen on screen.
फर्स्ट ऑन स्क्रीन एक्सपीरियंस मुझे अभी भी याद है कि मैं अपने परिवार के साथ बैठी हुई थी और 15 मार्च को ये मूवी रिलीज हुई थी. तो हम संध्या थिएटर में थे और
Okay.
फर्स्ट टाइम अपने आप को इतने बड़े स्क्रीन में अपना चेहरा देखना, तो एक वो मन में आया कि शायद कुछ जो बचपन के सपने थे पूरा तो हुआ. एक बचपन में लड़की जो सपना देखती है कि एक एक्टर बनना है, बड़े स्क्रीन में देखना है, तो वो सपना तो पूरा हुआ. तो आंख में तो आंसू आते ही हैं. आई वाज
Okay.
ओवरवेल्म्ड, ऑब्वियसली आई वाज वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड, वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि फाइनली हुआ.
Who will encourage you in your family this time acting?
माय मॉम.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about your father?
सी फादर्स कोई भी बहुत ही कॉन्शियस रहते हैं अपने डॉटर्स को लेके, लेकिन मेरी मॉम ने मेरे अंदर ये पैशन देखा था. तो शी हैज ऑलवेज बीन वेरी प्रमोटिव कि नहीं, अगर ये पसंद है करो और चांस मिल रहा है तब तो जरूर करो. लेकिन रजाकार साइन करने के पहले भी और इवन अराउंड दैट टाइम में उन्होंने अपने डैड को बताया नहीं कि मैं मूवी कर रही हूँ जब तक शूटिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हो गई.
After shooting completed.
आफ्टर शूटिंग कंप्लीटेड देन आई टोल्ड माय डैड कि एक मूवी है, आई एम डूइंग इट,
Oh.
आपको अच्छा लगे तो यू नो
Yeah,
प्लीज
done.
कम. तो फिर देन ही सॉ माय ऑन स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस, देन ही सॉ कि the topic of the subject itself was so important that my contribution will be like written in the history itself. So he was
Okay.
very proud and he's also the kind of person जो एक देश के लिए उनके अंदर पेट्रियोटिज्म बहुत है, एक हिंदुत्व के लिए बहुत एक फीलिंग है. तो उनको ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी कि आज उनकी बेटी किसी भी तरीके से उस फील्ड में वैसे कंट्रीब्यूट कर पा रही है. तो he was very proud then, he was very happy.
Okay, do you know about this Razakar movie before acting?
No, actually that is the irony in this कि मैंने सिविल सर्विसेज की प्रिपरेशन करी लेकिन कभी भी रजाकार मूवमेंट के बारे में कभी जिक्र नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
इनफैक्ट ऑपरेशन पोलो के बारे में हमने पढ़ा, हमने सिर्फ 2 लाइन पढ़ी कि इंडिया का पार्टीशन हुआ, उसके बाद हैदराबाद 1 साल बाद ज्वाइन किया. लेकिन उस बीच में 1 साल में क्या घटना हुई, क्या प्रेरित था वो कि निज़ाम ने इंडिया को फिर ज्वाइन किया, क्या अपनी इच्छा से किया या अपने इच्छा के अनुसार नहीं किया, तो ये कोई भी हिस्ट्री नहीं जानता है एक्सेप्ट द पीपल ऑफ तेलंगाना. So when I shifted to Hyderabad and when I got into this what is this whole Razakar movement, then people started speaking up, and that too not the youth, the people elderly, and like yes,
Yeah.
उस time पे ये हुआ था घटना जिन्होंने face करी. Even हमारे producer के grandfather ने, there is a scene also in the movie that is a true incident that happened. So then I realized yeah, it was a true incident. It was a very horrifying incident that never came out in the history. It never made news, never came to the books of our schools. So yeah, I was surprised and I was obviously very proud ultimately that I was proud, part of this, that narrative that never came out on screen.
Do you know about this actors before?
Yes.
Who
Makran
acted in
Deshpande
Mr.
sir
Razakar
तो is a very legendary actor, a really fine actor. मेरे लिए मेरे एक्टिंग के गुरुजी इज हरीश चंद्र गारू.
Okay.
तो मेरे को डेली वो मोटिवेशन ही ये देते थे कि आपको एक लेजेंडरी एक्टर लाइक मकरंद देशपांडे के साथ आपको ऑन स्क्रीन शेयर करना है, तो आपके कारण उनका एक्टिंग खराब नहीं होना चाहिए. योर केमिस्ट्री हैज टू बी परफेक्ट. तो मेरे लिए वही था कि ही इज सच अ ग्रेट एक्टर कि मी गेटिंग द चांस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू वर्क विद हिम वाज वेरी गुड. Secondly, me performing also up to the mark so that उनका सीन ना खराब हो was my just target. And sir राज अर्जुन सर के बारे में भी सब जानते हैं. Then Tej Sapru is also a very veteran actor. So it was an honor for me to share the movie with all the great people who जिन्होंने दिग्गज हासिल करी है एक्टिंग में. तो मेरे लिए एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस भी अच्छा था.
Okay. How you felt Mir Usman Ali Khan's wife character?
Honestly, if I tell you, ये शूटिंग हुई 9 दिन मैसूर में ललिता पैलेस है. वहाँ पे 9 दिन की पूरी शूटिंग थी. तो एक होता है एक लड़की का कि आपको एक रानी बनना है, कभी तो आपका भी बचपन में ख्वाब होगा कि एक प्रिंसेस बनने का. तो पूरे 9 दिन सुबह आते थे, मुझे ड्रेसअप करते थे कि प्रिंसेस जैसे, पूरे दिन हम वेट करते थे मेरा शूट आएगा. तो वो इट वाज अ वेरी हैप्पी टाइम, इट वाज अ वेरी मेमोरेबल टाइम एंड समथिंग दैट आई डोंट थिंक आगे चल के ऐसा फिर से मौका मिलेगा. या आई होप मौका मिले तो एक बड़े रूप में मिले. लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम एक एक्टर को ऐसा पीरियड ड्रामा में ऐसा कैरेक्टर प्ले करना, इट वाज रियली एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी. वो पूरा पैलेस का सिचुएशन एंड द एनवायरनमेंट एंड द ग्रैंडर ऑफ इट,
like a queen, it will be your character.
Only like a queen. मैं 9 दिन बाद पैलेस से बाहर आ रही थी तो मेरे को लगा कि ये कैसे.
How Allah treated you like a queen?
Yeah, everyone like treated me very well. And the team was very good. The team was known to me from the last 1.5-2 years हम work कर रहे थे.
Okay.
So the team was very well known to me. So it was really fun actually, shooting as the queen of Nizam in Hyderabad. It was really fun experience.
At the movie beginning, thousands of people they are hanging on Britishers. How you felt about that? By seeing on screen.
That scene मैं actually जब shoot हो रहा था तब भी देखने के लिए गई थी मैं.
Okay.
And I was so मतलब एक heart में that clench comes, you feel how can somebody be so inhumane, so unkind, so cruel, and a human being itself can be so unkind. That ऐसा horrifying incident they covered, and not just to men but to women, to children, and 100 different ways to torture people. So जो हमने मूवी में दिखाया है, that is not even 10% of what actually happened. That is what even terrorizes me more. And that's what makes me even more proud that I'm living in a democratic nation. And today, you and me, we both have independence to pursue the profession that we love, but to live a life that however we want, and ek bina dar ke. So I'm very happy that we are living in this generation.
Yeah. Who's your inspiration
for acting?
Yeah.
I would say Bollywood में it's Priyanka Chopra that I'm really inspired with. Her acting is wow, and the dynamism and the different kind of characters that she can play. But I think on-screen presence, Aishwarya Rai, I love her.
Okay,
and in here, I really love the work of Anushka Shetty. I love the work.
Which role you are willing to do? Either it's a performance or a glamorous roles.
See, it's not about performance or glamour. कोई differentiation नहीं है. It's all about what kind of a script you want to work on, what kind of people you want to work with. और उसके बाद whatever character they offer on screen, वो glamorous होगा या shy होगा, that doesn't matter. कैरेक्टर अच्छा होना चाहिए बस।
Do you faced any difficulties in this movie
सी
shooting?
डिफिकल्टी तो होती ही है, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम अगर आप एक्टर है तो आई बी वेरी ब्लंट कि डिफिकल्टीज आपको हर तरीके के चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं, चाहे वो एक्टिंग हो, स्केड्यूल टाइमिंग्स हो, कॉस्ट्यूम्स हो, प्रमोशंस में हो, स्टाइलिंग, मेकअप, एवरीथिंग, कहीं ना कहीं पे चैलेंजेस रहते हैं, लेकिन ये चैलेंज का भी एक मजा है ना, दिस इज व्हाट यू अर्न।
Yeah. Do you face any casting coach like that
No.
through
No.
this
No.
journey?
This
No. Actually, so many.
I'll but since I'm given a platform like this and I'm one of the first actors coming up, I would like to give this a very strong message to all the girls that आप दूर से जो सुन रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्री के बाहर रह के जो आप सुन रहे हैं कास्टिंग काउच के बारे में, ये सब चीज़ें, आप कुछ गलत लोग होते हैं, वो आपको गलत दिशा में लेके जाना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए वो आपसे ऐसी बातें करते हैं। अच्छे लोग जो अच्छी मूवी बना रहे हैं, जो एक आर्ट को रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, वो लड़कियों को इस तरीके से व्यवहार नहीं करेंगे। तो आप ये चीज़ अपने दिमाग में छोड़ के रखिए और एक्टिंग को एज अ प्रोफेशन, एज अ सीरियस एक्टर आप इसको परस्यू करिए, बिकॉज अच्छे लोग हैं, एंड खासकर जब OTT और अच्छे सो मैनी यूट्यूब ऑल्सो फॉर दैट मैटर, you are given a platform now to perform. Now it's only your performance that will take you to heights. Now you cannot say that कि किसी ने मेरे को कुछ करने के लिए बोला, उसने बोला मैंने नहीं किया तो मेरे को चांस नहीं मिला। नहीं, एक चांस नहीं देगा, लेकिन बाकी 9 लोग आपको जरूर चांस देंगे अगर आपके टैलेंट में वो बात है तो I would say this to all the girls in Telugu industry as well as who are coming from north and trying to do it in south, कि बाहर से सब आपको डराने की कोशिश जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन अच्छे लोग आपसे ऐसे नहीं करेंगे। तो आप वो अच्छे लोगों को ढूंढिए, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट देखिए, अपने टैलेंट पे वर्क करिए।
So many members also quitting this about this.
देखिए, सबका वो मन का डर रहता है, गलत लोग आपको गलत र्यूमर्स ऐसा फैलाते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। अगर आप टैलेंटेड है तो इस साई पल्लवी नॉट थ्राइविंग, शी इज थ्राइविंग, व्हाई? उसका टैलेंट है। इज समंथा नॉट थ्राइविंग, शी इज, टैलेंट है। तो आप सबसे पहले अपने एक्टिंग पे ध्यान दीजिए। अगर आप अच्छे फाइन एक्टर हैं तो YouTube में भी आपने कुछ परफॉर्म किया होगा तो अच्छा डायरेक्टर आपको देख के ले लेगा वहां से, विदाउट इवन आस्किंग फॉर एनी ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ बुलशिट। सो आई वुड स्ट्रांगली से टू ऑल दीज गर्ल्स, प्लीज, जो ऐसा बोल रहे हैं वही आपके साथ गलत करना चाहते हैं, तभी वो आपको ये सब डरा रहे हैं, धमका रहे हैं। सो डोंट बिलीव इन ऑल दिस क्रैप एंड जस्ट वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ।
Yeah. Which side you will prefer, Tollywood or Bollywood?
I don't think now there is any differentiation between Tollywood or Bollywood. It's a pan-India, it's a national movie. So जहाँ पे भी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट हो, अच्छा कैरेक्टर, एक एम बस होता है एक अच्छे एक्टर का कि एक अच्छा डायरेक्टर आपके साथ वर्क करे, क्योंकि एक अच्छा डायरेक्टर आपको सिखाएगा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें। तो मेरा बस ये है कि मुझे अच्छे डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना है, चाहे वो हॉलीवुड हो, बॉलीवुड हो, टॉलीवुड हो, टॉलीवुड, whatever it is.
Okay. Which movies you like? Your favorite movie, like a horror, romantic, or crime?
I love action movies a lot.
Action.
And someday I wish to see myself as an action heroine only.
Okay.
Like what Samantha did in Family Men.
Yeah.
It's something, or Rudrama Devi, Anushka Shetty. Those are the kind of characters that I really get inspired with, and somewhere definitely I'll see myself in those roles.
Maximum actors will prefer that side, action.
Action, yes, action. लेकिन एक्शन के लिए बहुत मेहनत भी लगती है, जो बहुत एक्टर्स नहीं करना चाहते, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आई कैन डू दैट।
What's your strength?
My strength is I'm a learner and I'm very obedient. So मैं कभी किसी डायरेक्टर को नहीं बोलूँगी या किसी को भी कि मैं सब जानती हूँ, आप मुझे मत सिखाओ, और I know what to do, ऐसा मैं कभी नहीं बोल सकती हूँ। मैं कभी भी एक मूवी से जब दूसरी मूवी में जाती हूँ तो मैं एक ब्लैंक माइंडसेट लेके जाती हूँ कि आप जो डायरेक्टर मुझे बोलेगा एक्टिंग के लिए, मैं वैसे ही एक्ट करूँगी, विदाउट एनी इनहिबिशंस कि व्हाट आई नो और व्हाट आई डोंट नो, राइट। सो आई एम अ वेरी वेरी ओबीडियंट पर्सन दैट अगर मेरे को कोई 25 टेक्स भी बोलेगा, आई विल डू 25 टेक्स, आई वोंट से नो।
What's the memorable moment in Rajaka's movie shooting?
The most memorable moment was the day when I finished the movie, because that day I felt कि अब मूवी फिनिश हो गई है, अब मैंने अपना जो समर्पित कर सकती थी अपने आप को मैंने पूरा कर लिया है। नाउ इट्स ऑल लेफ्ट टू गॉड वेयर टू टेक मी। मैंने अपना कर्म कर दिया है and I've made an impact. People have recorded me. I'm there in the movie. So first time as an actor, I did something, and that last day का मेरे पास video भी है. I'll share with you.
Okay.
That was the most एक satisfying feeling that yes, I did it.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Favorite food? Favorite food. There are so many things because I'm a big foodie. But
Okay.
obviously ये profession के कारण you need to leave lot of things. खाना तो छोड़ना होता है, लेकिन I love मेरे mom के हाथ के आलू
What
के
you like in
पराठे.
Hyderabad?
Okay, Hyderabad obviously biryani.
Okay.
यहाँ का biryani is very good. यहाँ का I think pizza is also very good. There are so many good places. I love food in Hyderabad. Anywhere you go, I love food. The street food specifically.
If you're not an actor, which profession you will choose?
I'll just be a businessman.
Oh, businesswoman.
Yes, I'll be an entrepreneur. And I'm not saying I'm not an entrepreneur right now. I'm into 3-4 different things already. As I said, I did my law also. I finished my MBA also. I was pursuing to be a civil servant also. So I would say entrepreneur.
Okay. Which message you will for startup freshers acting?
I would just give one message very strongly कि सबसे पहले have courage to pursue this. Just have courage and have faith in your talent and keep working on your talent to the best of your ability, because it's a very, very challenging and very demanding profession. So just have courage and have faith. That will sail you through. And please don't listen to wrong people about casting couch and ये सब. होता होगा जिनके साथ मेरे को नहीं पता. People fall trap to those things. But मैं अपने experience से बता रही हूँ कि आप अपने talent पे ही focus करिए. This generation is all about talent and your own being. So focus on yourself.
Okay. What's your next project?
Well,
Did
there
you
are,
find any project?
yes, actually there are a couple of very good projects lined up. And उसमें one of those I'm an action figure.
Oh,
Yes.
all the best.
So yeah, that one checklist से हो गया कि I wanted to do one action character. So that one is there. And then second is also full of drama, थोड़ा glamorous, what you said.
Okay.
So these two projects are lined up that are coming out by Diwali this year, let's say. Yeah.
Okay. How's your feeling? This movie reached not only Pan India,
Yes.
it's reached worldwide now.
Yes.
Pan world.
Obviously, I've well, I knew about this that before the movie itself कि ये subject बहुत लोगों को touch करेगा. It's a very emotionally sensitive topic. So it's the people that they connected with the subject and they only उनका word of mouth होता है. They only spoke around and I was happy that people took it in a good way also. So I'm just very happy that youth को खासकर ये knowledge मिली कि क्या हुआ था देश में 1947 में, that even the most well-read people are not aware of. So I'm very happy that we were able to give out the information to majority of the people and to youth specifically, so that they can learn and they can take away the knowledge from this, so that this kind of horrifying incident, nobody have the power ever in the future to repeat the same.
How your friends and family members will treat you after Rajakant movie?
Well, I think it's all the same. It will always be the same, and I want it to be the same. मेरे को कोई difference नहीं चाहिए.
Fans problem. What have you?
No,
fans?
see, that is the most fulfilling part of the profession. When fans come to you and they say कि मैम एक selfie चाहिए या एक autograph, उनसे ज़्यादा I feel happy कि that you like me enough that you had the courage to approach and then say कि एक photograph या autograph चाहिए, तो it gives you a sense of satisfaction that they liked your performance or they liked you in whatever way. तो बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. Honestly, that is the most satisfying feeling for me when somebody comes and says कि एक photograph चाहिए. I'm like मैं लेती हूँ photograph. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आप आए मुझे बोले.
Do you face any what's that fans issue like that? Fans problem.
Fans का problem? No, I don't think fans का कोई problem होता है. Fans का तो प्यार होता है. आपको प्यार लेना चाहिए जब तक मिल रहा है, because ये ज़्यादा लंबा थोड़ी ना ये profession हमेशा नहीं रहेगा. It's a public figure in public life, so enjoy while you can.
Okay. Tell me about director Satyanarayana Garu. How you treated on sets?
He was I was the first time acting, and he was the one who gave me a lot of confidence, because I went to him exactly a year before. मैंने कहा सर मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, वो मुझे 2 लाइन दिए तेलुगु में, मुझे तेलुगु में भी कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा था. I thought maybe I'm not a performer or something, but he's like नहीं, you have faith in me, because if I'm seeing something then this is definitely in you. So that was his initial motivation, his courage that finally sets पे everything went on very smoothly. मेरे को बिल्कुल भी that fear inhibition, I was able to perform the maximum of my ability because Yata sir was there. So I'm very thankful to him.
Okay, now tell me about Anasuya garu and Prema garu.
Oh, they all are
acted,
so
no?
sweet. They all are so sweet. It was so much fun doing promotions with them. Anusuya ma'am तो उनकी बातें ही सुनते रह जाओ. She's very sweet. तो in fact आप मेल भी जितने देखेंगे such great male actors as well as the female co-actors like Vedika and Indraja ma'am
Yeah,
and Anusuya ma'am. तो सबसे backstage इतने अच्छे conversations हो रहे थे कि me who is just entering into the industry, they really helped me a lot figuring it out, what is going on in the industry and who are the good people, who to approach, who are doing good work. So आपको पहले की लिस्ट मिले तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि चलो काम करने के लिए एक गाइडेंस है, एंड खासकर एक फीमेल का सपोर्ट हो तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो all the females are so good to me. Very
What
humbling.
about Bobby Simha garu?
Bob Simha sir तो I would say he's the coolest and he's the chillest.
Such a
No,
cool
he's very chilled out. He's
Okay.
so such a. Still, we are in very good connections with him. So Bobby sir, तो he's full on entertainer. वो on screen जैसे ही action होता है वो तुरंत he'll change into a different actor, the character. Off screen आते ही जब पूरी बहुत बातें करते हैं, मजा आ जाती है उनके साथ बैठ के बात करने में.
What about producer Narayana Reddy garu?
Producer sir, तो obviously he's one of the most inspirational human beings I've met in
Okay.
my life. Very, very inspiring in the kind of willpower he has. I could never, if I can be like a 10% of the human being what he is, I'll be a very good politician. Really. Because itna willpower hona, I know he was going through a lot of financial trouble also while this movie was coming out. And the way he held his composure, the willpower he had, कि नहीं कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे ये सब्जेक्ट दुनिया के सामने लाना. He got so many threat calls and
Oh.
so many people were really harassing him
Okay.
mentally. Yeah, so we all saw that.
While movie shooting is going on that
Why?
time?
No, during the promotions after we
Oh.
announced the subject.
Okay.
So there were a lot of political chaos that was going on. तो
Oh.
सब कुछ वो स्माइल के साथ झेलते रहते हैं, कोई कंप्लेन नहीं, कभी गुस्सा नहीं किसी के ऊपर. तो इतना मेंटल प्रेशर में भी अगर इंसान इतना कंपोज्ड है, he is like a saint then. I really
Okay.
admire him.
So off screen, you are daring at dashing or silent girl?
Very daring, very daring. I just go and do it. No, I was a very shy person, I think, till my school. But then when life happens, when you see how the reality is, obviously your real self come out then. I'm very daring, I'm a very realistic and a rational person.
Okay, what's your weakness?
Weakness. Wow. My weakness, there are so many weaknesses that I can just think of right now. Yes, short
Pick any
temper.
two.
Yeah, I would say short temper is one.
Oh.
Yeah, short temper is one. Somebody spoils my hair or makeup, मैं एकदम
No.
I get hair and makeup पे मैं चला देती हूँ. So that and कभी कुछ थोड़ा सा भी कुछ गलत होता है तो बहुत जल्दी डिसहार्टन हो जाती हूँ कि मेरे साथ क्यों गलत हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं. तो that is I think couple of weaknesses that I see. But over time मेरा एक lack of confidence was also an issue. But over time I recovered. So there are no weaknesses that you cannot work on. So there are a lot of weaknesses, but I'm working on them.
Your favorite heroine Tollywood?
Tollywood, Anushka Shetty.
Anushka Shetty.
Anushka Shetty, yes. Classic actress.
What about hero? Favorite
Prabhas.
Hero.
Prabhas
Prabhas.
One day it's a dream to work with him. I know I'll fulfill that dream one day. But it's still a dream for me. So yeah,
Okay.
Prabhas Garu.
It's the dream for you? Okay.
It is a dream for me, yes.
Okay. Then what about director, favorite director?
S.S. Rajmouli sir.
S.S.
S.S. Rajmouli sir. No doubt about it. The beauty he brings to the character. आप एक कैरेक्टर से अटैच हो जाते हैं. मुझे याद है कि मैं जब बाहुबली, आप जानते हैं कि पूरा फेज एक चल रहा था, मेरे लिफ्ट में एक बच्चा था, तो उससे दूसरे बच्चे ने पूछा कि किस विच गॉड यू प्रे टू. ही सेड आई प्रे टू बाहुबली. एंड देखिए बच्चों के मन में इतना ज्यादा वो कैरेक्टर के लिए एडमिरेशन आ चुका है, तो वो ब्यूटी और वो जान डालना, राजमौली सर
Okay.
He's the
Tell me
legend.
one dialogue.
Tell me one dialogue from
Prabhas or Rajmouli.
Okay, प्रभास का डायलॉग ऐसे इंस्टेंटली हिट नहीं कर रहा है मुझे हाँ, सही में एकदम आई एम ब्लैंक बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं लेकिन इतने सारे सीन्स याद आ रहे हैं लेकिन आई कांट
So Samantha done an item song in Pushpana.
यस
Then if you got that item song chance means you will do or not?
Yes, obviously. Why not? Why not? See, as an actor, you know, you need a platform to showcase all your skills, whether it be dance, acting, singing, horse riding, sword fighting, everything. So, if you have the chance to perform any of your skill set, I would say just go ahead and do it. Don't feel shy about it. You're an actor, you're a performer, you're an entertainer. And if the character demands you to entertain, entertain.
Nice, nice. What's the biggest failure in your life up to now? Biggest failure.
So, I strongly believe that in life, whatever happens, happens for a reason. So, in 2018, I went for Miss India and
Okay.
I was selected from Chhattisgarh. But obviously, I did not win that. But the girl who won that is a very, very good friend of mine now.
Oh.
So, बहुत सालों तक मुझे ऐसा लगा कि क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं कर पाई मैं, मेरे में क्या कमी रह गई थी. So, that is what I consider a failure. But later I understood कि नहीं, शायद वो रास्ता मेरे लिए था भी नहीं सही. So whatever happens, happens for the best. Yeah.
So after long gap, this Raja Khan movie is coming to OTT now.
Yes.
How you're feeling?
I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. Now it's already on AHA TV.
Yeah.
And people are sending me screenshots. A lot of people that I performed so well and the movie was so good and it was really inspiring. So I'm very happy that it finally came out on AHA. And it got nominated as for the best director also in Goa International Film Festival. So that is what we were waiting for. कि एक बार film festival में आ जाए, उसके बाद we'll release it on OTT.
ఇది వాళ్ళ స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. మరొక స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూతో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. Until then, bye bye.